This is the requested video of how to cut an easy dartless cupped corset. I started by ruling my margin. I made the margin to be the 12.5, which is my under bust. I'll be cutting the cup first. I marked out my bust point, which is 9.5, and I also marked my upper chest measurement, which is 7. That will give me the perfect size for my cup. The distance from my under bust to my bust point is 3 inches, and my bust part measurement is 7, which divided by 2 will give us 3.5. But here I won't be using 3.5 because the cups are not joined together. There is always a space at the middle of our corset. So I'll be using the same 3 inches, which is the distance from my bust point to under bust, for the wideness of my center front. So here I'm just ruling out my darts, 1 inch on the both sides of my under bust. For my side front, I added ½ inch to the measurement of the center front, which was 3 inches. So my side front is 3.5 inches. The side is always bigger than the center front, and I went ahead to rule my darts ½ inch on the sides of my cup, and on the center front I took out ½ inch for the darts as well. So after ruling out my darts, I went ahead to shaping my cup the way I want it to be. I made use of my curved ruler to connect the points together on both the center front and the side front. And for the neckline, you can make the shape of the cup anyhow you want it. You can make it to have a normal sweetheart neckline, or you can make it a structured neckline, or any kind of shape you would like to make the cup. But this cup, I want it to have a scallop shape, so I shaped it exactly the way I want it. So after cutting, I use my seal tape to couple the cup because I want the cup to be a hole before I start cutting it on my pattern. This is the method you can use if you have not joined your cup. Normally I supposed to cut the cup, cut it on the fabric and join the cup together. After joining, then I can use the cup I joined to cut out the bodice pattern of my corset. But since I want to cut everything together, this is the easiest method. I am using this bodice pattern, which I've already outlined my under bust, my waist length and the top length on it, because I'm trying to explain some things here. Your under bust measurement on your bodice will not be the under bust of your cup, because this is a dartless cupped corset. If you place the cup on the original under bust measurement and you measure from your shoulder, you'll realize you're getting more than the measurement you needed. So you have to shift it upward to get the original under bust measurement, which is 12.5. When I placed it on the under bust line on the bodice pattern, I have up to 13.5 inches, but what I needed for my under bust is 12.5. So I had to shift the cup upward so I can get the exact 12.5. So after getting it, I outlined the cup. If you're outlining this cup, make sure you're not putting too much pressure on the cup, because if you put too much pressure, you won't get the pointed and the deep effect of the cup anymore. So you just have to place the cup, let it sit well, and outline the shape of the cup. So after outlining, I took my body's measurement, the bust measurement divided by 4, and on my waist length, I took my waist measurement minus 2 divided by 4, because it's a corset and I want the snatching effect on the waist, so I deducted 2 from my waist measurement. And my hip measurement 42 divided by 4. So I marked out all the measurements. I connected all the measurements together and I cut it out just like you see me cutting it in the video. The cup is already coupled together. You have to separate them back. When I was trying to join the cup, I made sure I didn't overlap those patterns. You have to be very careful when joining and when splitting it out. So I splitted the cup back, so I'll be able to transfer the same pattern on my fabric. This is the separated pattern, and now I just have to cut out everything on my fabrics and join it together. If you were able to learn something from this video, do not forget to like my video and also follow. Let me know if you have any question in the comments, and I'll try my best to reply to all questions in the comment section. See you in my next video.